Our Model 377 LM Liftmaster keyless entry has stopped working, all other garage door remotes are working as usual. The lights flash on the keyless entry when buttons are pressed, but the garage door does not respond. We have replaced the battery and tried to change the code, but the learn function does not complete. Motor light never blinks.
Hi, welcome to JustAnswer.com. I am glad you are here. My name is Eric and I will endeavor to answer your question. It is very likely that you are going to have to first erase all of your codes and then reprogram them back one at a time. If you have a copy of your opener's instruction manual, follow the erase and reprogramming procedures as outlined therein. If you do not have a copy of your instruction manual, please tell me the exact model number of your opener and I will see if I can get you a copy of your manual. Thanks.
Eric, what other codes are you referring to? The only thing that has a code is the keyless entry piece that we are discussing.
I am referring to the transmitter codes used by the remotes and your keyless entry pad, not the 4-digit PIN code you press when you want to operate the door. If you will give me the exact model number of the opener itself, I can confirm that the programming sequence you are using is correct, and then that should help us determine if you will need to replace a failed keyless entry pad.
Rainer 3850 RGD.
Do you have a copy of your owner's manual? If not, or in the event that you may simply appreciate a copy in PDF format to store safely on your hard drive, here is a link to where you may download a copy of your manual. http://www.rainer.com/pdf/admiral_2_its.pdf. Please follow the instructions on how to erase all codes from motor unit memory on the bottom of page 34. Then follow the instructions on how to reprogram your remotes as found at the top of page 34. Then follow the instructions on how to add, reprogram or change a keyless entry pin as found on page 35. If this do not solve your problem, you will need to replace your keyless entry pad.
Erased and reprogrammed other remotes successfully per your instructions, keyless entry still does not work.
You will need to replace your keyless entry pad. Here is a link to where you may order one for $13.25 plus shipping. This is the best price I have found for you.
Where is the link?
I'm sorry, sometimes the link doesn't stick. Here it is, Liftmaster by Chamberlain 315 MHz wireless keypad 377 LM.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.